Okay, installing a cool running thermostat in a 1977 Chevy truck. The person who owned it before me, I'm pretty sure installed a non-OEM carburetor and a manifold, inlet manifold. So this one's a simple job. It's just a matter of undoing this thermostat housing here and putting the new one in. That's the thermostat there. The price and postage. It's the coolest running thermostat I could find. 160, I believe it's Fahrenheit. So far as I can tell, that's the coolest running thermostat, is a 160. There's a fair chance that this could help a little bit with vapor lock caused by the temperature of the engine, but that's just modern day fuel injection fuels. Finding this thermostat has been one of the challenges of the work I've done on the truck, and this is over the last couple of years. All these notes, they're all jobs that have had to be done. So some of the realities of owning an old hobby car. So $3,500 later, and countless hours of time. Okay, that's the thermostat housing. My experience with running cool running thermostats has been very good. The only thing that I can say is, in winter, your cab might get a little bit cold. What you can do there is have two thermostats, a winter thermostat and a summer thermostat. So that is to say, you could run your engine hotter in winter and change it over for summer for it to run cooler. Okay, so just remember to place your new thermostat in the right way around. Well, with this one, the spring went in and the dome top stayed out. There will be some coolant loss. There's pretty well nothing you can do about it other than draining a bit out of your coolant system first. That wouldn't be a bad idea because you have to top it up anyway, the cooling system and the radiator. If you've got a torque wrench, it'd be a good idea to find out what these are and torque them down the right torque for the bolts. You know, I've got a real feeling that this is the original thermostat from 1977. I did think that this motor was running a little bit hot. Also, it did have vapor lock symptoms. I think that's due to the new fuel and not this thermostat, but this is an old thermostat, and that's a good thing I changed this out. I don't know if you can read that or not, but this is a 160 Fahrenheit thermostat. It was installed the right way, put on the right way. That was sitting in, and the water goes up through it to the radiator. Well, anyway, that's how you install a thermostat. I hope this video has been of some help. And if this engine gets a bit hot, well, I know I've got the coolest running thermostat. If running a cool thermostat, if you still had overheating issues, then you'd have to look at the size of your radiator, try flushing out your engine, trying to find any restrictions, blockages in the water jackets around the engine.